viewers, good afternoon. I welcome you to Case Scenery. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification icon for more videos, and thank you very much for watching my videos all the time. In this video, I'm going to show you how snail farming looks like in this Harmattan season, on this dry season. And I'm also going to talk about what you have to do to sustain your snail farm in this hot weather. So this is case scenery, and this is my snail farm. So in this hot weather or this hot condition, you have to provide a lot of mulching materials, either mango leaves, dry mango leaves, dry banana or plantain leaves, or any other leaves that can be used as mulching materials. So as you can see in my snail pen, I have a lot of these mulching materials. And the purpose of these mulching materials is to prevent the sun from a direct contact to the snails. So if you provide these mulching materials, it is going to make the environment conducive, and it's going to sustain your snails from the hot weather condition. So this is the first thing you have to do. That is, you provide a lot of mulching materials. Then after you provided these mulching materials, you have to water the snails or sprinkle them twice a day. You can even do more or better. So at least early in the morning, you can sprinkle water on them, and late in the evening, you can also do same. If you're not having soil in your snail pen, especially for those of us who are using the wooden snail pen, if you don't have soil in them, at least by this season you have to provide soil. And let me show you the reason why you have to provide soil in your snail pen. So as you can see, the snails, they are hiding themselves in a dugout hole. So assuming you don't have soil, it is going to be difficult for them to hide themselves. So it is better, at least for this weather condition, to provide soil. So these mulching materials are going to keep them warm, and with the help of the water you will sprinkle on them, they are going to find the environment conducive. So as you can see, this is hiding. You see, it is looking as fresh, and it is not hibernating. So if you don't sprinkle water on them and the pen becomes so dry, they will become hibernated. They will have some foam and hide until they will have another rain seasoning. But if you manage your snail farm in such way, it is going to help them to keep moist. So none of my snails is hibernating. None of them is hibernating because I always sprinkle some water on them. You see that the soil is moist. The soil is moist. I will sprinkle water on them. it seems you are not having or seeing a lot of snails here. And the truth of the matter is that they have just hide themselves in the soil. So they are all hiding themselves. They are all hiding themselves in the soil. They are all hiding themselves. And one thing you have to be aware of is in this season, it is normal when you see your snails not eating, because in this season they don't normally eat. They just come out seldomly to eat. But you can also have enough water in the snail pen. Uh, so thank you for watching this video. I pray this video find you a good reason for managing your snail farm in this Harmattan season. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you very much for watching my videos. We'll meet in the next video.